Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and today we're gonna unbox and have first impression on the Oppo F7 mobile. The package from Flipkart was quite well packed. As you can see, this is the Oppo F7 mobile. It has a red and black variant. It houses 64 GB of storage capacity, 25 megapixel front camera and 6.2-inch Full HD screen. And that's quite cool. The mobile is housed in a quite very good packaging with adhesive quite well here, and we have other stuff such as the SIM card pin tray. We need to take out the pin tray using the SIM pin. We have a back cover as well along in the package. We have earphones that quite good. We have USB cables, and then we have a charging adapter as well. It's cool. So once we take out the mobile, this is how it looks inside. The back side is kind of black and blue and the front is quite sleek. Overall it has a glassy look, and it reflects quite a lot. It's quite handy. And if you can see the back side, the fingerprint is quite well placed, so you can put the finger there. And the camera, that is 16 megapixel on the back. The phone is very handy to hold in your hand. Now if we take out the SIM tray, we can see that we have an option of putting two SIM cards and a memory card also. The SIM card supports dual 4G, so you have two 4G SIMs which can cooperate at the same time, so that's kind of great. So when we switch on this mobile, the display looks quite sleek, but there are many processes that you need to skip through in order to start the phone for the first time. So once done, gleefully show you a welcome screen. So this is how it looks. Well, the screen here is quite smooth. Navigation is good, but then Smart Assistant again. It will try to take all the data from you by clicking allow. So that's kind of cool. Let's check the settings. As you can see, this is a setting menu, and this is quite very frankly copied from iPhone. Oppo basically copies everything from iPhone as far as its ColorOS is concerned, but it kind of feels smooth. So if we check the about phone, we have a color version of 5.0. We have Android version of 8.1.0. That's very cool. We have an octa-core processor, and we have 4 gigs of RAM. Device storage is 64 GB, so it quite packs in a lot of power inside it. If we check the camera, let's check the back camera. As you can see, there is kind of a little oversaturation here, so the background is not that white, but the color is white. The photo is quite good, it's receptive, but again you can see the oversaturation here. So good for editing. We have other modes such as full screen mode. It covers the whole screen. The front camera is quite sharp, and we have tons of effects that ladies gonna love. So we have to enroll a facial print. So when we enroll the facial print, it's quite fast in enrolling a facial print. Let's try it. Well, we do have sort of problem in facial recognition. We tried other ways of facial recognition. It does not recognize very easily, but at times when you try another way, it does. The video playing is cool, but then again you can see the notch over there that interferes. We cannot zoom in, zoom out of the default video player here, so the notch just sits there eating the left part of the video. But overall, this phone is cool. The back camera is great of 16 megapixels. The front camera doesn't seem quite good as far as 25 megapixels is concerned. It's less, but overall it's a good phone. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.